John alights near Raffles Place. He moves towards Esplanade. Evening view of the Esplanade Theatres on the Bay. Evening sky view of Singapore Flyer from the Marina Bay. Evening sky view of Esplanade Theatres on the Bay from Marina Bay. Evening sky view of city skyscrapers. Evening sky view of the Raffles Place from the Marina Bay. From ground, evening view of the Raffles Place from the Marina Bay. John walks on the Esplanade Bridge toward the Raffles Place. The Esplanade Bridge presents spectacular evening views of megastructures. And the cycling are some of evening activities on the Esplanade Bridge. From Singapore Cricket Club, John walks to National Gallery Singapore. Singapore Cricket Club offers spectacular evening views of the Raffles Place skyscrapers. National Gallery Singapore reminds ancient architecture. When walking from the Esplanade side, enjoy spectacular evening view of the Raffles Place skyscrapers too. Merlion Park is a famous landmark and major tourist point. When walking towards the Raffles Place, enjoy evening views of historical buildings. The Raffles Place offers evening views of some of tall buildings. Moving back to the Esplanade Theatres on the Bay. Enjoy evening view from top of the Esplanade. At the ground level, walking from the Esplanade, enjoy theaters on the bay. Cycling, skateboarding, and walking activities can be seen on the Esplanade Bridge. Public sculptures depict family enjoying out at the Esplanade waterfront. Moving to the Marina Bay, stay longer by the bay. ArtScience Museum, is beautiful structure near the Marina Bay. John walks towards the Seabound floating store, at the Marina Bay. Crossing skateboarders while walking. And crossing the cyclist. Skate-wheelers love to practice near the Marina Bay. The Marina Bay is one of the favorite places for skateboarders. Shoals of fish gathering in ocean, a show like flowers blossom. Dancers enjoy their practice during evening. Jewel Changi Airport. One can have spectacular view of world's tallest indoor waterfall. When night falls, it offers mesmerizing light and sound show. Gardens by the Bay offer breathtaking view. Super trees come alive with display of lights and sounds. Gardens by the Bay offer beautiful view of Singapore Flyer. The Esplanade Bridge. The National Gallery Singapore view, from Singapore Cricket Club. The Marina Bay view, from the Raffles Place. The City Hall Skyscrapers view, from Esplanade. And the Singapore Flyer view, from Gardens by the Bay.